Long before humans shaped the natural world, they were shaped by it. On isolated islands where giant Komodo dragons dominated the land, early humans learned that survival was not about confrontation, but awareness. These reptiles were powerful, patient, and perfectly adapted to their environment. Humans survived by reading signs in the landscape, moving together, and understanding when distance meant safety. Each encounter refined judgment and cooperation, reinforcing a lesson repeated across prehistory. Nature did not need to be defeated to be survived. Intelligence, restraint, and unity allowed humans to endure alongside creatures far more formidable than themselves.